Hello traders! Welcome to my channel, Sam Trading Strategies. First of all, thank you for the amazing response to my video on the 6th candle trading strategy last week. I'm so glad you found it helpful. Today, I'm back with another powerful strategy, the 5th candle binary options trading strategy. It's one of my favorite strategies, and I'm sure you're going to love it too. Stick around till the end of this video, because I'll share a key setting that's crucial for this strategy to work effectively. Missing it could cost you valuable insights. Let's dive right in. But remember, trading binary options involves significant financial risk. You could lose your investment, and past performance doesn't guarantee future results. This video is for educational purposes only and not financial advice. Always trade responsibly and never risk money you can't afford to lose. All right, let's get started. 5th candle trading rules. The idea behind this strategy is simple but highly effective. Here's how it works. Look for 4 bullish candles of the same color on the chart. Ensure the 4th candle is firmly above the middle Bollinger Band line and closes above it. When this happens, prepare for a trend-following buy trade on the 5th candle. Similarly, for a sell trade, spot 4 bearish candles of the same color. Make sure the 4th candle is firmly below the middle Bollinger Band line and closes below it. Take a trend-following sell trade on the 5th candle. Now, here are some tips to make this strategy even stronger. This is a trend-following strategy, so always trade with the trend. Avoid trading against it. Watch out for support and resistance levels. They're crucial. Use a 1-minute time frame for your candles and set the trade expiry to 1 minute. For real markets, trade during the European and New York sessions for the best results. Avoid trading 30 minutes before and 45 minutes after any high-impact news. Now, let's see how this strategy works in action. I'll show you live examples step by step, how to spot the setup and confidently execute trades. Remember, practice makes perfect. Use a demo account to master this strategy before applying it to real trades. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more valuable strategies. Like this video to support my work, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new upload. All right, traders, let's get started and learn how to master this strategy together. Take a look at this chart. Here, I've taken a buy trade because 4 bullish candles of the same color appeared back to back. The 4th candle closed firmly above the middle Bollinger Band line. At first glance, many of you might think, this is a perfect setup according to our strategy. But no, friends, this trade was not taken as per our strategy. Here's why. I mentioned in the trading rules that we must always consider support and resistance levels. Now, look closely. Where is the price right now? It's sitting right at the resistance level. Taking a buy trade at a resistance level is risky because the price is more likely to reverse than continue upward. So, let me ask you again, do you still think this was a perfect buy trade setup as per our strategy? No, it wasn't. In binary trading, mistakes like this can lead directly to losses, just like what happened here. But remember, every mistake is a chance to learn. Trading is not just about following rules, it's also about applying logic and being aware of market conditions. Now that we've learned from this mistake, let's move forward. I'll look for another setup following our strategy completely this time. Mistakes are part of the learning process. What matters is how we use them to improve. All right, traders. Here's the setup I've been waiting for, and I've just taken a buy trade as per our strategy. Let's recap why this trade aligns perfectly with the rules. We observed 4 bullish candles of the same color forming one after the other. The 4th candle closed above the middle Bollinger Band, confirming the upward momentum. This setup checks all the boxes. So now, let's wait and see how this trade plays out. Now, as this trade unfolds, let me share a quick tip. Many traders focus only on setups but forget about market conditions. Always double-check the trend and support or resistance levels before committing to a trade. For example, if the price is near a strong resistance and support, even a perfect setup might fail. On the other hand, trading with the trend increases the chances of success. This is why trading isn't just about following a strategy, it's about understanding the market. We've won this trade. It feels amazing when a strategy works exactly as planned, doesn't it? Now, as promised, let me share the Bollinger Band settings that make this strategy highly effective. Set the period to 9. This makes the bands respond more quickly to market movements. Adjust the deviation to 1.5. Perfect for capturing tighter, more precise signals. Use these settings on a 1-minute time frame, ideal for short-term trades. These adjustments ensure that the Bollinger Bands adapt smoothly to market volatility, providing you with clearer signals for entry and exit. All right, now let's move on to find one last trade setup for today's session. All right, traders, here's the setup I've been waiting for, and I've just taken a sell trade as per our strategy. Let me quickly recap why this trade aligns perfectly with the rules. We observed 4 bearish candles of the same color forming consecutively. The 4th candle closed below the middle Bollinger Band, confirming the downward momentum. This setup matches our strategy perfectly, so let's wait and see how this trade plays out. While we wait, here's a friendly reminder. If you're new to this strategy, start by practicing on a demo account. Practicing will help you build confidence in spotting setups, understand how the indicators and patterns work together, develop discipline and consistency. Only move to real trading once you feel completely comfortable with the strategy. Remember, trading is a skill, and like any skill, it takes time to master. And there we have it. We won this trade. It's always a great feeling to see the strategy work exactly as planned. That's it for today's session, traders. Let's quickly summarize what we covered. How to spot both buy and sell trade setups using the 5th candle strategy. The importance of Bollinger Band settings for accurate signals. Why practicing on a demo account is essential for long-term success. If you found this video helpful and learned something new, here's how you can support this channel. Subscribe to the channel for more strategies like this one. Like this video, it motivates me to create even better content for you. Share it with your fellow traders to help them learn and grow too. Your support helps this channel grow, and I'll keep bringing you more valuable trading content to guide you on your trading journey. Thank you for joining me today on Sam Trading Strategies. Good luck with your trading journey, and remember, stay disciplined, trade smart, and always keep learning. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, goodbye and happy trading.